HealthBud is a nutrition application centered around health by leveraging daily recommended intakes rather than focusing on calories in and calories out. So typically a user that is concerned about improving their general well-being, their health based on doctor recommendations, or trying a new diet would want to use the app in order to achieve their personal well-being, health, and diet goals. Now let's walk through how to use it. So the first use case would be a user wants to log in or create an account. In our case, we want to log in. So we will enter our information and click sign in. Or if someone wants to sign up, they click sign up and then they are sent an email verification and asked to confirm it, and they are taken back to the app. In our case, we're going to sign in. Then the next thing that a user might want to do is edit their account information. So they have different options here. They can upload a photo, change their age, their username, gender, etc., their goals, anything that might be concerned with who they are as a person or what their goals are, in order to more accurately provide them with feedback on their well-being. So in our case, let's say we want to change the weight loss goal to losing 250 kcals per day. And this can also be changed by metric. So now you can see that the weight and height changed. Now, let's say that a user wants to log a food item. They have a couple different options. They can go to recent, search there, can navigate the tabs, and basically see the recent items or all items, whichever is easier for them. They can click on an item also and go to the Open Food Facts database and search there. So let's search for avocado. And this might take a while to search since the Open Food Facts database has a lot of entries. Now, a lot of these entries are not valid entries, but that is simply because the Open Food Facts database is very wide, so this is still a work in progress. But let's say that we want to add Nutella. Is update here, and then we can press save. In our case, we want to add some healthy items, so let's go with the avocado toast with egg, and let's say we had 3 toasts for breakfast. Then we click save. Now a user successfully logged a food item that they can see here, and this shows their different items, and here they also are able to edit and delete the item. They are also able to view nutrition breakdowns, how much omega, how much vitamins, and everything is in the food item, which is great for a user that wants a more comprehensive view of the food they've eaten. If they want to know more about their general well-being and what they could improve, a user can click on the information icon, and that will tell them what they had too much of and what they need more of. In this case, fluoride, copper, and calcium, while they had a lot of omega-3, so that could be consumed less. They can add more items if they want, and that will simply be added in the same way. So here we can say for dinner, click save, and it will show up here. And as you can see, the health score improved, the different bars went up. And it's important to note here that the calories and macro goals are based on the user's profile settings. So let's say the user updates their weight to 156. Then we can see that the goals for everything have also updated. The user might also want to log a food for a different day. You can click on that other day. And then here they can add the food just as I did before. And it will show up here again. Now the charts we have not worked on. This is something that will probably be done after the semester is over, unless there's some time at the very end. But that was just something that we did not end up having time for. The open food facts database definitely would need some more fine-tuning, but that is definitely something that we will want to do if we continue working on the project. Lastly, let's go over how to add a food item by scanning the barcode. So you click on add food item, scan the item, grant camera permission. Then here you already have it. You have all the information added, and you can click save and add just like any other food. Now this would be helpful for someone who might want quick access to a food item not already in the database, but that they have at home. Other than that, I believe those are all the features. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.